Good morning, students. In yesterday's lecture, we have seen basic introduction about the angina pectoris and their types of angina pectoris. Now, in today's lecture, we are going to learn about the classification of anti-anginal drugs. So, angina pectoris means what? It is a chest pain, or it is also called as ischemic chest pain or ischemic heart disease. So, anti-anginal drugs are classified on the basis of two main strategies: reduction of oxygen demand and increase of oxygen delivery to the myocardium. Anti-anginal drugs are used to provide immediate relief from the symptoms and prevent the anginal attacks. There are the three classes of drug used either alone or in combination are effective in treating patient with angina, and these agents lower the oxygen demand of the heart by affecting blood pressure, venous return, heart rate, and also contractility. So, we'll see one by one. The first class of anti-anginal drug is nitrates. Nitrates is the potent vasodilators and are the most widely used in the treatment of angina. The nitrates are the most useful anti-anginal agent, and vasodilators means what? Vasodilators are the medication that open or dilate the blood vessels. That means vasodilators opens the arteries and vein both, and which allows blood to flow more easily. In that, vasodilators are the nitrate, organic nitrate or nitrates are the vasodilators. So, nitrates used in the treatment of angina pectoris are simple nitric and nitrous acid ester of glycerol, and this compound causes a rapid reduction in myocardial oxygen demand, and also followed by the rapid relief of symptoms, and they are effective in stable and unstable angina as well as variant angina pectoris. In that, nitrates, the first class is short acting nitrates. The example is glyceryl trinitrate and or nitroglycerin. The short acting nitrates include sublingual nitroglycerin. It is a short acting nitrates and is suitable for the immediate relief of angina, and glyceryl trinitrate can help to stop chest pain if an angina attack has already started. So that means what? It can also helps to prevent them from starting. And glyceryl trinitrate works by widening blood vessels, that means veins and arteries, and these increase the blood supply to your heart, which get more oxygen to your heart, and these reduce the chest pain. Okay. And second class of nitrates are the long acting nitrates. Long acting nitrates or long duration of nitrates, duration action of nitrates, the example of isorbide dinitrate. Sublingually, it is a short acting nitrates. Then isorbide mononitrate, etheryl tetranitrate, pentaerythritol tetranitrate. These are the example of nitrates, and long duration or long acting nitrates are the in that nitroglycerin transdermal patches are used to prevent attack of angina or prevent the chest pain. Nitroglycerin is a class of vasodilation. That means it dilate the blood vessels, and this drug works by relaxing and widening blood vessels, so blood can flow more easily to the heart. And isorbate mononitrates and isorbate dinitrates, nitroglycerin, these all are the relax the walls of blood vessel, and that's why increase the blood flow to the heart. Okay, then next class of anti-anginal drugs is beta blockers. Beta blockers, the example is propranolol, metoprolol, atenolol, and others. The beta blockers reduce the heart rate and blood pressure, and also reduce the workload of the heart. And beta blockers are the cardioselective class of beta blockers. These are the atenolol, metoprolol. These are the cardioselective beta blockers, and these are used in the treatment of angina. So, and next class of anti-anginal drug is calcium channel blockers. Calcium channel blockers widely used for the treating several cardiovascular problems. That means calcium channel blockers used various cardiovascular disease problems. Okay, and these blockers are drugs that blocks the entry of calcium. That means calcium channel blockers are drugs that blocks the entry of calcium into muscle cell of heart and arteries, and by blocking the entry of calcium channel calcium, then the calcium channel blockers reduce electrical conduction within the heart, and that's why decrease force of contraction, that means work of muscle cell, and dilate the arteries. And this dilation of arteries provide more oxygen carrying blood to the heart. Example of calcium channel blockers, there are the three subclasses: phenylalkylamine, example is verapamil, then benzodiazepine, example is diltiazem, and third class is subclass is dihydropyridines, example mifedipine, felodipine, amlodipine. These are the examples. Phenylalkylamine are the intracellular pore blocker, and the phenylalkylamine work mostly by the mostly on the heart muscle. म्हणजे फिनिलल्किलामाइन जे आहेत ते हार्ट मसलवरती मोस्टली वर्क करतात. अँड बेन्झोथायझेपाइन जे आहेत आर अँड इमिडिएट benzothiazepine are the intermediate class between the phenylalkylamine and dihydropyridines, and phenylalkylamine works on the heart muscle and arteries. And third class is dihydropyridine. Dihydropyridine mainly affected arterial vascular smooth muscles and lower the blood pressure by causing vasodilation. Okay, and these work mostly on arteries. Okay, that means phenylalkylamine works mostly on where? On the heart muscle. Then the benzothiazepine work on both heart muscle and arteries, and dihydropyridines mostly work on the arteries. Okay, then next class is potassium channel opener. Potassium channel opener example is nicorandil. Potassium channel opener used in treatment of various cardiovascular disorders, and nicorandil is the only clinically available potassium channel opener with anti-anginal effect. Okay, and nicorandil works by relaxing and widening your blood vessels, which increase the supply of blood and oxygen to your heart. And potassium channel opener, that means nicorandil helps to reduce the chest pain and ischemia. And another that the other drugs are also used to treat the angina pectoris or chest pain. In that includes dipyridamole, trimetazidine, then ranolazine, levabradine, oxyphedrine. These all are the other class of antianginal drugs. Dipyridamole, it is the nucleoside transport inhibitor, and that inhibit the blood clot formation. डायपायरिडामोल्स जे असतात ते ब्लड क्लॉट फॉर्मेशन काय म्हणू आपण फॅटी सबस्टन्स किंवा कोलेस्टेरॉल ज्यावेळेस ब्लड व्हेसल्समध्ये जमा होतात त्यावेळेस जे प्लेक फॉर्म होतो आहे, प्लॉक फॉर्म होणार आहे, त्या प्लॉकला तो प्लेक फॉर्म झाल्याबरोबर तिथे जे ब्लड फ्लो होतो आहे त्या ब्लडचं पण क्लॉटिंग व्हायला सुरुवात होते. आणि डायपायरिडामोलचं काम काय तर त्या क्लॉट फॉर्मेशन जे झालं आहे त्याला इनहिबिट करतात. ओके, देन ट्रायमेटाझिडिपिन जे असतात ते इट इज यूज लॉंग टर्म ट्रीटमेंट ऑफ angina pectoris. Then ranolazine is used alone or with other medications to treat the chronic angina. लॉंग टर्म अंजायना जे असतात ते ट्रीट करण्यासाठी हा ड्रग यूज केला जातो. देन इव्हाब्रॅडिन रिड्यूस दी हार्ट रेट्स, स्पेसिफिकली हार्ट रेटवरती काम करतो इव्हाब्रॅडिन हा ड्रग स्पेशली. अँड देन लास्ट इज ऑक्सिफेड्रिन is a vasodilator means what, it dilate the blood vessels, arteries and veins both open करायचं काम करतो. Then and used in the treatment of angina pectoris. And also oxyphedrine drugs are used in the treatment of heart failure, then conduction defects and also myocardial infarction. These all are the classification of antianginal drugs. Then antianginal drugs are also classified on the clinical basis. In that clinical basis two major classes are there. First is used to abort or terminate attack. अटॅक टर्मिनेट करण्यासाठी जे ड्रग यूज केले जातात त्यामध्ये असते फर्स्टली कुठले प्रेफर केले जातात तर ग्लिसरील ट्रायनायट्रेट, देन आयसोर्बाइड डायनायट्रेट सबलिंगली प्रोव्हाइड केलं जातं. आयसोर्बाइड डायनायट्रेट ते जे आहे ते विदिन 2 मिनिट्समध्ये ॲक्शन दाखवायला सुरुवात करते. ज्यावेळेस आपण आयसोर्बाइड डायनायट्रेट सबलिंगली देतो एखाद्या पेशंटला अंजायनाच्या, ते विदिन स्टार्टिंग अटॅक्स असेल त्यावेळेस विदिन 2 मिनिट्समध्ये ॲक्शन त्याची स्टार्ट होते. देन नेक्स्ट क्लास इज यूज फॉर क्रोनिक प्रॉफिलॅक्सिस, दॅट मीन्स अनदर all the other drugs are used for the used for to prevent the disease, and these include जे काही अनदर ट्रीटमेंट दिली जाते फॉर क्रोनिक प्रॉफिलॅक्सिस, तर जे ऑल अदर ड्रग्स आहेत ते यूज केले जातात ह्या कॅटेगरी क्लासमध्ये. ओके, तर अनदर पार्ट ऑफ antianginal drugs will learn or we'll discuss about the next session. Okay, thank you.